guys! For today's video, we're gonna unbox my order. It arrived about maybe 3 days already, but I was so busy and I don't have time to open it. And today, or tonight, I'm gonna unbox it. First off, I ordered a sun hat. Let's take a look. Because it's already summer and I want to have a walking or hiking, and it looks like this. It looks like for all people, but it's okay. There's a mask on it as well. And then it will look like this. Whoa, it's very perfect. Siguro pag nag-walking ako sa labas, isuot ko to. And then, meron pa siyang ganito, oh. It has mask also. Paano ba to? Wait lang. Ganyan siya. And then, we're gonna connect this one. Oh, yeah. Wait lang. Try ko muna. It's not working. It's not working. Kulang lang ng diin. Siyempre, kailangan mong idiin para pumasok. Ganon. Pasok na. So, ganyan siya. Oh, wow. Tapos, meron din siyang tali. Meron siyang tali. Ganyan. Kung gusto mo siyang higpitan. So, siguradong walang kawala ang sunshine. Hindi na makakapasok sa face ko. Sino ka dyan? Bongga. Toink. Ito yung una.